Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll explain how to use WhatsApp without a phone number. Now, there's an important limitation. You generally need a phone number to register and verify a WhatsApp account. So there isn't a normal way to create a completely phone number free WhatsApp account, but if what you mean is using WhatsApp on another device without entering your phone number again, then that's possible through linked devices. So first, register your WhatsApp account using your phone number. Then open WhatsApp on the additional device you want to use. Then choose the option to link the device to an existing account. Now go back to your primary phone and open WhatsApp, go to settings and select linked devices. Then follow the instruction to connect the additional device. And once it's linked, you can use WhatsApp on that device without entering your phone number again every time. So you can't completely remove the phone number requirement for registration, but you can use WhatsApp across additional devices through linked device. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.